I'm here too.
Yes, my daughter Nikki, she helped me pick out
the most...
God bless you. God bless you.
Is there going to be a second sneeze or what?
The drama. Will there be a second sneeze? You know what's so funny about filming up here is we've really gone back to our old ways because we don't have the up here and we don't like, and the camera's crooked, and so we just keep like leaning into the camera. But we're gonna work stuff. We're gonna get it worked out. And then when in fall,
I feel like it's more fun to do it this way.
well, in the fall, then we'll have, like, you know what it is? I'll tell you what the difference is. So, pardon us, Moniki. No, go right ahead. I know what you're talking. Your house is really small, and so the studio guys, they will take you on a studio